Welcome. My name is Max Ackman, and today I'm going to show you some basic searching with the Education Source database. The first thing we want to do after getting to the Daytona State College Library homepage is scroll down and look on the right-hand side of the page for the database link. Once we select that, we'll be taken to an alphabetical listing of all of our databases. We'll select the E, and Education Source is the second one listed. I've already logged in. If you have any trouble logging into the system, please reach out to us through chat or email, and you also might check out the video tutorial we had for logging in as well. Once we get here, you have a generic search bar here right on the top, and then you can scroll down and you can see some other limiters. Let's just jump right in. Let's start searching academic, performance and achievement. Let's do with performance first, since it was listed first. But the keyword searching like that is very helpful, especially when you're first starting out and needing some good suggestions to start your search. All those limiters that we saw on the front page are here on the side now. We can see that we have 41,000 results here, so quite a bit. So let's scroll down. Let's limit this to scholarly peer-reviewed journals. That's a great way to limit our search results down into a little bit more manageable list. Once we do, as we can see, we're down to 29,000 results here. Once we do find a article that we are interested in, if we select the title, it'll take us to the detailed record. This will give us a lot of useful background information, such as the authors, the journal that it was published in, the year, and also how many pages it is. This lets us know how important this abstract, which is also known as a summary, is, and will save you a lot of time when it comes to whether you want to invest your time reading this article. If we scroll back up here on the right hand side of the page, you can see some other tools. This permalink will pop up here at the top of the page. This will allow you to get directly back to this article. Another resource here on the side is the citations. This will provide you with a machine-generated citation for whichever format you're using. Just remember though that it is machine-generated, and you might want to double check that to make sure it is accurate. There's also a number of different ways you can save the article as well, including to your Google Drive. If you look over here on the left-hand side of the page, you can see the PDF is available. You can select that. You can read that online, or you can download it and save it to a storage device of your liking. If you have any trouble, please reach out to us either through chat or email. We are always here to help.